nasa galaan na naman tayo. We are in the car. And today is, we are going to, I don't know if I'm good pronunciation. Gethorn. Gethorn. So we're going there, guys. Ang hirap i-pronounce. Pero kakayanin. Gethorn. We're going there today. Matagal ko nang pinapangarap pumunta dun, guys. Magko 4 years na ako dito sa Netherlands. And now finally we're going there. Ayan. So nasa car kami ngayon. Dito na naman sa car yung ano natin. Yung intro. Pero anyway, sana hindi umulan. Pero parang uulan. Pero tingnan ko naman sa weather update. Hindi siya uulan. Pero tingnan na lang natin. Weather. Yeah. Okay. And see you there. Pina-practice ko pang maigi itong camera ko, guys. Because we have a new camera. Yeah. So, hindi ko pa siya masyadong maalam gamitin. So, magka-practice tayo kung paano siya gamitin. Yeah. So, we are ready. Bye na there. Almost there, guys. Ready? We are already here, guys. This is it. Ang dami nagbo-boat. Yeah. Back to back. So, we're already here, guys. Ang daming tao. Buti na lang hindi masyadong maaraw. So, lakad-lakad tayo dito. Nasakay kami sa boat. Pero ayaw ni Peter yung dalawa lang kami. Gusto niya yung may kasama daw kami. Pasok kami sa isang store. May meron sila. So, this is our style today. So, which we gonna... Yeah. Souvenir shop. So, tingin-tingin tayo. Nagustuhan ko ito, guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. This one. Yeah. This color. May ganito na ako, pero wala ito. Pero ang ganda. I think is... Magkano siya? Wala siya nakalagay na presyo. Siya nakalagay na presyo. Tapos may mga earring din sila dyan. And perfume. And this one is... Isa na yung asawa ko. Andot na. Ito yung traditional shoes na Netherlands. You try it. May mga shop din. Oh, I like this one. But is Holland. Ang nipis. Ang daming nagbo-boat. Imagine, ah. May duck. Yeah. Hanapin natin yung saan marirentan yung mga boat.
Ja, der frühe Vogel.
Same.
Oh, I thought you meant that.
Yan, gusto ni Peter pumunta ng mga church. So, papasok daw siya dito. Is nobody inside? Yeah. Yan guys, we are still looking kung saan kami mag-rent ng boat, but I think it's over there. Yeah, nakikita nyo ba? Hindi ko, yeah. Did you smell it? Imagine if you're living here. So you can have video now. Imagine in you guys. Yeah, the house here is expensive, right?
Yeah.
Matira ka dito ang ganito. Pero yun nga lang, dapat mayaman. So where's the place? We gonna rent the boat. When we are here, many people.
They no move.
Diba? Together din kami. Yeah. The thing is, Peter think is we are taking a picture, but we are taking a
Yeah.
video. Yeah. Look. It's there. Okay rin, sulit din. Tapos yung parking lot is 4 euro and 1 din na rin siya. So, sulit din. Yeah. And look. Yeah. Yeah. So, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin kami nakakasakay ng boat. Yeah. Okay. Hanapin daw namin yung boat.
Hmm?
Yung boat na maraming nakasakay, guys. So we're going there.
Because it's nice if you go with it. So much is not nice. Too much. Like 4 or 5 people, 6, it's okay.
Nice, nice. Oh! Na-stuck sila doon. Gusto ko sana yung dalawa lang kami. Pero hindi siya kasi aware. But I don't know why. Kung ganon din lang sana, sinama ko na si Kyle. Pero nasa work kasi siya.